Hi and welcome. Today we're making something different. It's called Slatet Blankit. It's made of old bread, like 1 day old bread. I have grilled salad, slatet mechouia. I have capo. I have harissa, olives, and tuna. Uh, this is very easy, tasty. Tunisian people, they always make it. So you don't have to throw the old bread. You can make them to little salad, like a finger food. So over here you can make, because I'm making it with the slatet mechouia, the grilled salad. Just gonna put a little bit harissa in a couple of them, not all of them. But for you, you can just, maybe you can take a bowl, has like a 1 tablespoon of harissa, put some oil and some water, and make it like a harissa sauce, and you can like dip it in if you want it to be spicy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit because some of us doesn't eat spicy food. So I'm gonna put a couple like that with the harissa. The bread has to be 1 day old. Don't make it like with the bread's really old. It's not gonna taste good. Or you can make a fresh bread, you know. If you can buy fresh bread and do it, you can. But this is, most people use it because they have like a leftover bread, and that's the best way to do it. It's a Slatet Blankit. So you can put the option over here. I have the Slatet mechouia. You can use the carrot salad, the one I have in my videos, or mechouia. You can use that, or you can use anything you want. So whatever you have left over, you can do that with it. And you can decorate it with boiled eggs too if you want to. You can put cheese, you can put mozzarella cheese, you can put any cheese you want on it. Put it in the oven a little bit just to melt. And that's it. Now we're gonna decorate it the way you want it. I put tuna, I put capers and black olives. For the tuna, make sure you buy the good quality tuna. Don't buy the, if you're in US, you buy the bumblebee. Those is not a, it's not a good tuna. Make sure you buy the tuna, the one in the olive oil. And this is it. I put boiled eggs too on it. So I hope you enjoy this little video and try it. It really tastes good. It's delicious. It's good for like finger food. And enjoy. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a like. And I will see you in next video. Bye bye.